Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Budgeting in QuickBooks Online Advanced comes with a few extra features. Let's go over your budget options in QuickBooks Online Advanced, how to set up a budget in Spreadsheet Sync, and then run a budget versus actuals report to measure your performance. First, select Settings, Budgeting. If you don't see budgeting as an option, the role you're assigned to may not have access to budgets. An admin can adjust your role and add access to budgets from Settings, Manage Users. In QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can create a budget directly through QuickBooks, import a budget from a CSV file, or you can use Spreadsheet Sync to create a budget in Excel. In this video, we'll create a new budget in Spreadsheet Sync. If you'd like to see how to create a budget without Spreadsheet Sync, this other video will show you how to do that. You'll need Excel and the Spreadsheet Sync add-in to use this feature. If you haven't used Spreadsheet Sync yet, you'll need to follow these steps. Check out this video to learn more about how to set up Spreadsheet Sync. Select Let's Go and open Excel. Then enter your QuickBooks login details and sign in. Select Manage Budgets. Choose whether you want to create a new budget or edit a budget you created earlier. Note that you're not limited to editing budgets you've created in Spreadsheet Sync. If you created a budget earlier in QuickBooks, you can still edit it here. In this video, we'll focus on creating a new budget. Select the company you want to create a budget for. Enter a name for the budget. Then select the year you want to create a budget for, and the kind of budget you want to make. You'll see the company, period the budget is for, and the type of budget here. Spreadsheet Sync lists all of the accounts for the kind of budget you chose to create. Enter a dollar amount in a cell for that specific month and account, and you'll also see it under the total budget. You can enter data into the budget like any other Excel spreadsheet. You can copy and paste, and also copy values down or across. When you're finished, or just need to take a break and want to come back later, select Sync to QuickBooks. If you want to pick up where you left off, you can continue editing the budget and sync it again when you make changes. And you can create budget reports. If you want to see the budget in QuickBooks, select View in QuickBooks. QuickBooks displays the budget you just created in Spreadsheet Sync. After you've recorded transactions that affect your financial statements, you can start comparing your actual performance to your budget. Select Business Overview, Reports. Note that your navigation may look like this. From here, you can run the Budget versus Actuals report. You can also run budget reports from Spreadsheet Sync. Select Go to Spreadsheet Sync, or Run Excel and make sure you're signed in. Select Create a Report. Select the company you want to run a report for, and then select Report. You'll find budget reports in Business Overview. After you select a report, select the budget you want to run a report for, a date range, how you want the information broken down into columns and rows, and if you only want to run the report for one account, select it here. Leave it blank to see a report for all accounts. When you're done, select Run Report. From this report, you can view your actual numbers which come from the transactions you've recorded, compared to what you budgeted, and what % of the budget you've used. Now you're ready to create a budget in QuickBooks Online Advanced and compare your company's performance to the budget.